and embroideries of scattered crystals to provide a balance of fierceness and community. Designed by Judy Professional, this gown is a sleek leather yoga made with soft black satin and fitted with silver gold details to give it a beat of push and elegance. Designed by Mr. David Bonaparte, the gown is inspired by the solar panels and sun rays, symbolizing the bright future of life. These are studs lined across the gown, and along with silver accents to let the material rigidity. Designed by Andy Wool, the theme of this gown is the real of times, graduating the waves of the past, present, and future, and is lined with silver embroideries to show off elegance and cosmic fashion. Is wearing a black and silver serpentina gown, made with black silver stones to add a touch of radiance. The highlight of the gown was inspired by a solar panel in the form of geometric lines. Designed by Neil Gillis, Levi's Goyan's gown embodies the mysterious air of the Canary Pierce with his fully embellished evening gown, a healthier black body hanging gown with vintage-inspired embroidery. Designed by Beauty Luxury Fashion Line, Levi's Iguodala is swaying in a haute couture, painted silver gray button, hanging tailor gown, a feather-like embroideries, accentuated resembling silver graffiti, created an enigma of the Gucci effect.